A tongue-tickling twist to the classic chaat recipes, today we are experimenting with two famous Indian chaats and giving them a Mexican remake. To begin making the Mexican bhel, we'll first cut the ready-made tortillas into small diamonds with the help of a pizza cutter. Heat oil in a deep non-stick pan and deep fry a few tortilla chips at a time. Fry till they are golden brown in color and crisp all over. Remove them with the help of a slotted spoon and keep them aside. If you can't find ready tortillas or don't have the time to do this step, just toss in some store-bought nacho chips instead. Those will work just fine. Next, we will prepare a chunky salsa for the bhel mix. For that, in a deep bowl, mix together tomatoes with onions, garlic, green chilies, coriander, some tomato ketchup, lemon juice, cumin powder, salt, and red chili powder. Mix well while mashing it lightly with the back of your spoon, and in no time, it's ready. A good tangy salsa is the backbone of most Mexican dishes, so you have to get the step right. For the Mexican bhel, take boiled rajma in a bowl. Toss in some boiled sweet corn kernels. Next, add finely chopped bell peppers for some vibrant color. Then the chunky salsa, some jalapenos, a few red chili flakes for a spicy hint, and a little salt. Mix well and you can refrigerate this mixture until you're ready to serve. Just before serving, add the tortilla chips and toss gently. Serve the Mexican bhel immediately and garnish it with some coriander. This stylish bhel will light up the menu at any party. For the guacamole pani puri, we will be making the guacamole first. Slice the avocado in half like so. And remove the pit and discard it. Make horizontal and vertical cuts on the avocado. And remove the flesh with the help of a spoon. Transfer this to a bowl. Now mash it lightly using a fork. Then for our additions, add de-seeded and finely chopped tomatoes. Then the onions, some green chilies, a bit of coriander, some lemon juice, cumin powder, and salt to taste. Mix all of this well. Now refrigerate this till we make the pani. For the refreshing mint pani, in a mixer jar, take some mint leaves. They've all been picked and cleaned. Next, add the coriander leaves. Add some green chilies, ginger, and lemon juice. Add approximately half a cup of water and grind it to a fine paste. Transfer the paste into a large bowl and add some cumin powder, black salt, regular salt, and around 2 cups of cold water. To make sweet chutney, combine tamarind and dates with 2 cups of hot water. Cover and allow them to soak for about an hour. After soaking, they look a little like this. Transfer them to a mixer jar and blend them to a smooth paste along with the water. Strain it using a sieve and a spoon. Add some chili powder, cumin powder, black salt, and regular salt. Add the water. Mix it all well and keep it aside. For the final prep of the guacamole pani puri, take a puri and crack the top layer with the help of your thumb or a spoon. Add in a spoonful of guacamole into each puri. Pour the pudina pani into some shot glasses. Then place the puri on top of it and add a little sweet chutney in each puri. Serve these immediately to avoid them going soggy. We hope you enjoyed these chaat recipes with a little twist. Do try them out at your next house party and surprise your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.